Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a new camera, or cameras. I'm so excited. Actually I'm so excited. So, basically a little backstory on why I got these two cameras. I got the Canon V10 and the Sony ZV1-f. My camera's currently broken. Guys, I'm trying to film a video on this camera. It broke when I was on vacation in St. Thomas. I dropped it the first time. I dropped it 2 days later, and I literally had to pry open the lens, and it's being taped open right now, so it's on its last leg. Also, the viewfinder, it literally, every time I move it, it just falls. So that's also being held up by we're gonna open the Sony first. I think this is the Sony. I have my little poppy right here. Oh wow. Okay, this one is the Canon. This is the Canon PowerShot V10. Sony camera. I might return one. I don't know. We'll just see what one I like better. But we're gonna open the Sony first. I also might have to buy an extra battery for this, I'm not sure. But in the box we have the instructions. We'll look at that later. I've had 4 cameras now. My first one was, this was the little wind screen. Apparently it's called a dead cat. I've had 4 cameras, Canon M50, the G7X, and now these two. This is the cord. It's just the autofocus on this camera is so bad, so I gotta be I dropped my M50 in the pool. I love the G7X. I was thinking of just getting another G7X, but I was like, you know what, I'll just branch out, and if I don't like either of these, I'll just go back to G7X. So, camera, I'm so excited. We're just gonna set that to the side. Does it not come with a battery charger? Okay, then there's the battery. I might need to buy another. Wow. Okay, and then I also bought, for the G7X, I have 2 extra batteries. So, like I said, I might need to buy an extra battery, but these ones, because there's no battery, but we're gonna take off the little lens cap. Okay, maybe I'll just take off the mic for now. And then it flips out and rotate. So it's so light. Okay, we're gonna put the battery in. Turn it on. Oh, it didn't even make a noise. It also says this SD card has no record time, so quality looks really good. Currently you're seeing me from the ZV1-f. Both of these were on a sale. So that's why I got them. They were for $100, so that's why I got it. But when I open it, and we got the V10. This is what I'm so excited for. Don't need that. Okay. Let's just see what's in here. I think it's probably a battery. Or not, I have no clue. Okay, it's another USB-C. Focus on it, yeah. Here's the camera. This is so tiny. Smaller than my Canon. Smaller than the Canon. Comes with a little stand here that I did not see. Okay, well it's gonna die, so we're just gonna charge it for a couple minutes. So we're gonna save all this because I bought a $50 protection plan for 2 years. And it takes a micro SD card, which is the same one that you use for a GoPro. Okay, recording on the V10, and it's so good for TikTok. I hope the quality's here. Where's the difference? It just died. Oh, you can plug a mic into this too. That's kind of cool. We're gonna let that charge and then I'll be back. This one's doing. I don't know how to charge it. These are all 3 cameras from arm's length. Yeah, I think this one is the widest battery. I don't know how. This one zooms in. And the video's coming to an end, and so is using this camera, because what is this angle? Overall, I think these cameras are great for if you're starting YouTube. All 3 of these, honestly. This one is flip up screen. Turn it on right here. This one is the flip out screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which one you guys think is the best and which one of these 2 I should use the most for vlogging. Probably this one, because it's way more like small.